Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new. So, today's video is going to be a shoe declutter video, and I would show you, once again, I have 3 different places I keep shoes. Like, this closet behind me, I have a shoe shelf for all my tennis shoes that I wear to Zumba. I have, a hanging shoe rack on the door, and I have 4 or 5 pairs of boots stacked on the top shelf. And then I have my other closet, which is across the room. I have, and I have a bin of shoes in my other closet. So when I was decluttering, I found 3 pairs that I could part with, and the one pair is still a maybe. But this first pair that I'm definitely getting rid of is a pair of cowboy boots that I got in 2011. I wore these twice, and I like them, but I'd honestly like to get a different pair that's more my style, because the pink and the purple and the yellow on there just doesn't fit me anymore. So yeah, I'm going to get rid of these. I'll probably sell them because they're still in pretty good shape once I get all the cat fur picked off of them. Okay. And my fur, because dang, I'm shedding today. Okay, and then this next pair, they don't fit me anymore because my thighs are so, I have 15-inch thighs. Yeah. So these don't fit me anymore, and I've had these since I was in middle school. So yeah, 11 years, and I like them, but I've got so many other pairs of boots just like them that there ain't no point in keeping these. And I've got more pairs of boots that are more my style. Okay, and this last pair, I got this 2 years ago for Christmas to go with the dress I had, and since then I've parted with the dress, but I have not been able to part with the boots, and they are red, and they are velvet, and they are awesome. I got these from Sears, and they tie. They've got like a little tie detail, but they zip up, and they've got that heel on them. And I don't know, I looked for a pair of red boots for 2 months before I found these. I think that's why it's so hard to part with them, because when you look for 2 months, and then you finally find that perfect pair. And I've worn these twice. They're still in great shape, amazingly enough. Okay, so I think that's, like I said, it's a maybe. So tell me in the comments below. Do you think I should keep them, or should I donate them? I don't know. Right now they're in my baby pile, and I'm going to see if I wear them this holiday season, I'm keeping them. So yeah, and by the time this video goes up, I probably have decided to keep them. And if I haven't, still leave it in the I'll update in the video too, depending on when this video goes up. Okay, so I showed you the 2 pairs that I'm getting rid of. My maybe pair that, amazingly enough, still has the box. And I labeled it because I'm so OCD. Okay, but yeah. So that's it for my shoe decluttering video on what I'm getting rid of. And while 3 pairs doesn't seem like a lot with what I've explained, I am a shoe hoarder. Some people collect jewelry, some people collect clothes. I collect shoes. I have more shoes than I have clothes, and that's hard to believe because I have a lot of clothes. As you probably saw in my clothes decluttering video. So, okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.